My name's Vianei Lopez Braun, and I'm a labor and employment shareholder at Decker Jones PC in Fort Worth, Texas. And I'm also honored to serve on the board of directors of First Financial Bankshares and as chair of their regional advisory board in Fort Worth. How I got to know First Financial was actually back in 1997, and I remember going to lunch with my friend Marelyn, who is now president of First Financial Bank in Abilene. At the time, she was a commercial lender, and she was so encouraging, but also so reassuring, because I was 28 years old, didn't know a lot about what a bank could or couldn't do for someone, and they really did everything for me. They, of course, set up my commercial accounts, of course, a line of credit. First Financial did all of that for me. I needed office space. She was able to find me space in 400 Pine, the main building for First Financial, and then they built out an office to my specifications, and it was just wonderful being a tenant there. I was really all of a sudden part of the First Financial family. Then, fortunately, I was successful and I was able to hire some employees. And so then I was working with First Financial Trust, trying to figure out what kind of retirement plan can I put in place. And they did all of that for me as well when they set up my 401k. It would have been sometime in 1998 when I had a big grand opening, when I finally had the office the way I wanted it and wanted to sort of introduce myself to the community. And it was just amazing how many First Financial people came to my grand opening, including Scott Deeser, the CEO, took time to come up and congratulate me. It was just amazing to have First Financial really invested in my long-term success. So that's part of the reason I'm so loyal, because they've been loyal to me. It would have been towards the end of 2019 that I got an unexpected phone call from Tucker Bridwell, the lead director for First Financial Bank, and I was very surprised that he was inquiring whether I'd be willing to serve on the holding company board, which is a huge honor. But I have known First Financial and the First Financial culture for nearly 25 years now, and I did feel like I'd be able to give back, because as an abundantly satisfied customer, I know that First Financial really has in their DNA not just putting the customer first, but really investing in the customer's long-term success, going above and beyond when necessary. And it makes me feel good to feel like I can safeguard that culture and that DNA that's been so important to First Financial in all the years that I've known them.